welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing peach drink. By the end of this video, each and every one of you is going to know how to work with your peaches and make an on-the-go drink or a super delicious ice treat. And friends, that's going to save you and me a lot of money. Let's get this recipe on the road. You'll need 6 peaches, 1 carton of raspberries, 6 cups of water, half a carton of apple juice concentrate, and your desired amount of ice. Let's start off by cutting our peaches and removing the seed. You'll find that with peaches, the softer, more ripe ones, it'll be easier for you to remove the seed, but those that aren't so ripe, you're gonna have to slice your peaches and help it out a little bit. To your blender, you wanna add your peaches, raspberries, apple concentrate, water, and you want to blend until smooth. And boom, done! Optional but not necessary, you can add a few chopped peaches into your peach drink. And boom, done, amigos. Who's ready for a taste? And here is the mom drink on the go. Now let me show you what I do for the boys. And friends, this is how I like to prep our drinks for whenever we have to run errands, doctor's appointments, those kind of things, because I don't want to be spending money. I don't want to be waiting in the drive-thru, and I definitely don't want to be getting out to a store whenever I have to run my errands. So I hope this helps you guys, even for packing for your lunch. And for our ice treats, also known as beauties, I've been using these little pouches. You can use your Ziploc bags and tie them up, whatever little frozen baggies you have available to you. Those are the ones you want to use. I like these because I can wash them and reuse them.
How do you know when to stop filling up the bag?
I kind of keep about an inch because whenever I'm sealing it, everything, if I come all the way to the top, it'll just pour out. So I keep about an inch from the top.
Got it.
I really like these because they're great for not just a icy treat, but also if you're in the car and you know that your kids like to spill and those kind of things, these are really easy. You can actually put a straw right through it and you're all set. For those of you that have sporting events or fiestas, these are great for your agua fresca too.
Or just plain water, right?
Just plain water. And I'm going to show you what my kids are currently obsessed with. I'm pretty sure it's not only my children, but this is going to be an instant slushie. We have a frozen slushie cup, and what you do is you put this cup in the freezer overnight, and then you start squeezing the juice right here at the bottom. And just keep squishing until you get a nice, delicious slushie just like this. And this cup comes with a straw and a spoon. And I'm gonna need somebody very special to say ah. And I do have a few tips for you. One is have a lot of fun when you're making this recipe, and the other one is use 1 peach per 1 cup of water when you're making this recipe, because I know that there's a lot of you that are just, you know, empty nesters, and that's okay. You can still enjoy this drink. Just don't go too heavy on the raspberry. And if you don't have the fruit juice concentrate, not to worry, you can use a little bit of apple juice and your flavor is just gonna be spectacular. I'm lost for words because I think this is gonna be one of your guys' favorite drinks that we make this year. How do I know? Because my kids have been asking me a lot for this one. All right, friends, it's time for me to cool off because Cloud and I are closer to the sun and it gets very hot up here. Ah, that's so good. It's so smooth, it's very light, it's not overly sweet, And the best part is that you can taste the peach. So it's time for you guys to look away and get your peaches out of here.
And we forgot to tell our friends that for those of you that don't know, peaches are on sale. They are in season.
Yes, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for peach season. And friends, if you need a few more peach recipes, there'll be some in the description, some right here at the end. And let me know how it goes for you, because if you're not eating peaches, then I don't know what you're doing.
Maybe they're eating apricots.
Okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. As always, Cloud and I are wishing you the best. We absolutely adore you. We want to thank you for all of your comments over the weekend. Cloud and I got a lot of laughs, and you guys, some of you made me cry because you're so sweet. And you guys know I get emotional. So thank you guys for taking the time. And on that one, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios.